We've been waiting damn long for this. Since what, last year?
Him.
Okay,
not
yeah, me
me.
lah, but thank you for entertaining my request.
No problem.
But we've been waiting for months. I think since last year
Yes.
for this because they stopped the tour for a while.
Did we send them a DM like multiple
Yeah, we
times?
sent them multiple DMs, messages. We being me lah. Fine, and then I came across the Instagram post again saying that they've started their tour. And I straight away message her, hey, we have to go.
We're so excited for this. Today is 31st of August, right? So it's the last day of his
My birthday month.
And that's why we're doing it today. Hey,
So here at the seating zone, we're going to get it. So after you select a seat, the seating robot will pick up the selected seat through a pneumatic system, which is basically air suction, like vacuum. And then we'll pick it up and plug it into the seating tray here. So after the seating tray is fully filled, it will then be brought down to the germination. And after this 3-day process, it will then be shifted to the nursery rack behind. So welcome to the great zone. Behind me, gather table for mustard. If you don't know what to draw, you can just write it.
I like mustard.
guys, Harry is drawing a car on his paper.
So you can try to locate the blue and sponge, so you can try to pull it out. So sometimes the white sponge can get a bit attached to it. Then first, you can pull it out once you put back in.
Right now we're gonna take the mustard plant.
Then when you are seeing and moving.
Is it?
Okay, there you go. Then you can just wrap it up and then put it into the bag.
Okay, this is my wedding bouquet.
I was about to say exactly the same thing.
From our old international means emerging property, symbolizing our and this creates a
Yes, oh my god, that's so nice. We have to try veggies, guys. Fine dining of veggies.
I like.
this because of its vibrant color. Right? So you find that has a lot in salad. So right? Taste right. Hint of sweetness.
Yes, I love
Right.
it.
I'm loving this.
Before you consume, the rice one originates from a desert called Chumbi Desert in South Africa. How does it taste? Salty? Yes, it is salty. The ice one is actually not salty. I like it. So
expecting it to be
actually apply it on your skin. The next vegetable we're gonna try is the sorrel. Can give it a smell first before you consume it. It has a lemony scent to it. How does it taste? Sour. Yeah. Old French word that means sour. So it has a
It's like orange.
citrus.
Like mint.
Oh my gosh.
So
This is the one that we took just now. This is the one that we took?
Yep.
Slightly spicy.
Oh, mushroom.
So this is actually used as an inexpensive alternative to wasabi. You can find this in some Japanese restaurants.
What something? With goggle.
Right, put it in virtual reality as well enable processes in real time. So for example, we have phones. And now we can actually put the mask on for you.
Boleh?
Okay. For
Look there, right? Left. Look up. Yeah, I know. So smile.
Is this okay? Right. If camera is ready, may I get a thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can now remove your VR goggles. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you our very own smart factory. On the top second level on the left, you can also find our command center.
Is that they're using the Ioniq 6 today, not the Ioniq 5?
Are you signing a life away in case anything happens?
Yes.
It's loud. Very good. Come on, guys. How do you find the tour so far?
Sure.
That is the gradient of how steep the slope is.
It's fun. And I cannot wait to get in the car. Two reasons. One reason, I've never been on a banked road before. Banked meaning the slope. Two, I've always wanted to be in a Hyundai Ioniq.
Yeah. Oh, there's Kali.
How?
Oh my god, it looks like a Porsche, right?
Maybe lah.
Like the back, I mean.
Can hear it again. Nanti kita turun, kita tengok. Kita tengok.
Oh, ini cantik sih kat belakang dia. Hi. Good afternoon.
Excited?
Yes. He's the more excited one.
Yeah.
So this bumpiness is to test for the car suspension. After this turn, I'll be picking up speed.
Okay.
3, 2,
Ready?
1.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yes!
So this is the roller coaster feel.
Yes! I thought you scared of roller coaster.
I'm in a car. I'm not scared of cars. Roller coaster. This is so much fun. Sialah.
You can scream and shout.
Yes!
So this
Oh my god!
Oh yes!
Oh my god! Oh shit!
I like it when the visitors scream and shout.
That's the point of all of this, right?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh yes!
Unfortunately, this is the last round already. The last round I'll be going slow.
Yeah.
So going slow is a different feeling as well. Okay, up ahead here, you feel like you're falling over right now. This is the slow effect.
For yourself.
Always wanted to know how it feels like, you know, tracks in Europe, right? Got all these bank tracks, right? Don't know.
Germany,
Yeah, like the
Australia.
Nürburgring all. Never had the opportunity to feel it, right?
Now it's here in Singapore.
Yeah.
Don't need to fly really.
Wow. The bank is so steep. I never knew it was that steep, eh?
36.82.
Oh, shucks, yeah.
Unfortunately, all good things have to come to an end.
You see, the camera has like this feature where you can actually see the whole car on it. And it's damn cool. It's so nice.
You know the steering.
Wow, there. See. Cool, yeah. Who needs a Tesla? Yeah, see, this is where they unveil the cars to the new owners.
Behind this window is our vehicle collection zone where new owners of our 5 or 6 can collect their new vehicles through our vehicle collection program.
You can configure your dream car.
Interior.
You can also explore the interior and exterior.
I will pick either this or this.
I like this, but I just don't like mine.
You can also find a collection that is inspired by so here. Then we have the Ioniq collection. These are
These are all parts of car. This is a car. Cantiknya. What is Farid doing?
Check out my new car, the new Ioniq 6.
Farid said he can see us buying this car.
Yep. Shut up.
So I can see myself vlogging like this.
Yeah.
It looks like a nice white Tesla, you know, the interior.
Yeah.
And then the neck actually had a roof, tapi...
Ada roof.
Ada roof.
You can charge your phone here. This is a wireless charger. I don't think it's on, so you cannot charge. Then there's USB ports everywhere. You open the glove box. See, it's not a glove box, it's a glove laci. That's so cool. I'm not a professional at this car, but let's take a look at the boot. Apparently, this is a good camping car.
Okay, what's so good about the camping car? It looks like a normal boot.
I'm not sure where it is, but apparently somewhere inside here there is power plugs. So you can actually plug in.
Oh.
Yeah, you can actually plug in sockets and like charge your phone, play projector.
Okay, tour guide. Tengok, proudly made in Singapore.
The Ioniqs are all made in Singapore. My first Singapore manufactured car.
Okay, you see my boyfriend do like that, right? You will never find him doing those kind of things for me. Take photo on all the different angles. He only does this for football, cars, bikes. Never me. Never me.
Why are you attacking me?
Tengok. Butt out, chin out, tongue out, all out. All out for the cars. The restaurant atas looks nice. Dia tak halal, guys. Shall look at this. Nice plant. It's one of my favorite plants. I ate it just now.
Report later.
Me, you can plant your own seed. Okay, so you can choose which one you want. The seeding is in process. See? Okay.
So just now, when we took out the vegetable, it's in a sponge. That's the sponge.
Yes.
Who would have thought coming to a car factory would have all of these? I love it. One thing I like about this car, close your door. Haha, no special treatment for you.
What?
You see, I'm the driver, I'm fat, I've got a stomach. Okay, so when I enter the car, the steering wheel's a bit too far because I need to make space for me to enter the car. Closing the door. By itself. I think you can customize it by a key.
And what were you saying about the gear?
It's like Mercedes but not Mercedes. Mercedes is like this. So it's parked, that one.
Yeah, you know that time I was in Kau's car and
Yeah, you were looking for
I was
that, right?
finding, I was finding for the gear, you know.
Yeah.
Mana gear dia So, is there a knob or somewhere that I couldn't find it. Then macam, then I tanya Alia, where's the gear? Tapi I in the end managed to
How do you remember?
remember what?
Now, how do you know that it's that?
He said, Ibu always touch something there. So I just like find it. I said, oh yeah, it's true.
Sometimes. So yeah, the gear is here. Mercedes would be up, down, up, down. This one is like a knob. So drive, then neutral, then reverse, then park is a button. Park. This is the handbrake. Why am I like doing a car review? Hyundai, hire me please. Then one thing I like about this type of cars is the navigation and this one. So I love this type of screen. I want it even on my bikes. I wish the bezel was black. It looks like it's a big screen rather than I can tell like it's a screen, which is why I don't like white iPhones. The
Sama, it's not a box. It's a
not,
drawer.
yeah. Yeah, and this has the moonroof. And it's vloggable.
You're finding for the plugs, eh?
Yeah. Ta-da! See? Cannot push. Cannot push. Press button. Okay.
See over there. Not taking picture of me. Taking picture of the car. Girls, if you understand, raise your hand up. Guys, this is the old Hyundai logo.
Done! Worth it! We were up there. Driving 80 kilometers an hour.
This is my boyfriend. This is from Cotton On. This is also Sharon is also from Cotton On. And this is Zara and my Say shoes. Alright, it's fine.
I got shirt from Kmart Australia. Shirt from I have no idea where. Pants from Uniqlo. Dog marts.
Hey guys, we're at JB right now and we're gonna eat. We're in this restaurant. I don't know what's the restaurant. There's no name.
Spazio.
This restaurant. And we ordered aglio olio, fish and chips, dengan pizza. One of the pizza. Yes. Today is their National Day, right? It's their Merdeka Day. Selamat Hari Merdeka. are your loyal supporters.
Yes.
We will always come and support your economy.
Because we love it.
Okay, I got oleo. This is the beef pepperoni pizza.
My fish and chips.
Yeah.
Membaikkan lah merasakan. Kan.
Min.
Oh, controller sebab tidur. Bad signs, it breaks apart. But it's always about the taste. Dah kan?
Wow, that is cheese.
I got banana jam. Can taste. Go away. I said go away. Update. We have left the shop. We are at Watson now. Looking at makeup.